Okay, Mustangs. In this lesson, we're going to be learning about pathways and directions. How to move our body in pathways and directions. Okay, our learning goals for this unit, that means a unit is a group of lessons. So for these lessons, our learning goals are we need to be able to move our body in a zigzag, blue, curved, which is red, and straight, which is yellow, pathway, okay? Coach is going to set up some cool pathways in the gym. Zigzag will be blue, curved will be red, and straight pathway will be yellow. And we're going to move our body using our locomotor skills and some other fun movements to learn our pathways. Okay, pathways. That's what this word says, pathways. Okay? Now, a zigzag pathway, blue, is like our body moves in a jagged, sharp, and pointed road. Okay? A curved pathway is, think of like an S or a road that you drive on that just slightly bends and curves. Okay? A straight pathway is just like a line. There's no turns. You move in one direction, straight. Okay, Mustangs, I know that we are home right now and you guys are following along. So just try your best with the space you have. Pretend you have a zigzag pathway on the ground or a curved pathway, or you can use a straight line maybe on a floor. I understand we have to pretend right now. But another good idea is you can also do this on your own time, or you can do it with Coach. You can use sidewalk chalk, okay? So you can maybe go in your driveway, draw a zigzag path, draw a curved path, or draw a straight line to move on, okay? Make sure you ask your parents, okay? We'll try our best during these times. Okay, it is now time to move. I want everybody, wherever you are in your space, I want you to stand up, and we're going to first practice some zigzag moves. Coach is going to do these with you guys using this zigzag. See how sharp and jagged these turns are. Okay, see if I can trace the whole thing. Cool. All right, so first we're going to practice zigzag. You guys follow along, okay? Okay, now a fun one that we get to do with the zigzag pathway. We're going to do bear crawls. I put these big orange cones up like they're trees in the forest. And we're going to bear crawl together. And you guys have to pretend you have trees wherever you are, zigging and zagging through the woods. Make sure you stay up on your hands and toes. Remember, bears don't touch their knees to the ground. Okay? Let's zigzag bear crawl. Okay, now let's move on and practice doing some of our locomotor skills and exercises using a curved pathway. Curved. Remember, a curved is like a windy street that has bends in it, like a letter S, or like a snake, or like a circle, like a racetrack. This is a curved shape. Let's practice some curved pathway exercises. Okay, I have another fun animal exercise that we can use to practice our curved pathway, okay? This is called the crab, okay? And the crab, he's going to pick up some food, he's going to put it on his belly, and he's going to take it home. Like he went to the beach, found some food, and then he's going to leave the ocean and come back to land. Okay, follow me. This is the crab. Okay, so if you have some food, I like to use a beanbag. You can use a sock or you can use a ball, something you can balance on your belly. That's where the crab's going to put his food, on his belly. So you lift his bottom up in the air. And you're going to use your pinchers and your feet to move in a curved pathway. Okay? Let's go. Look at that. What we have left is a straight pathway. Straight means there's no bends, no turns. It just continues one direction. Okay? Let's do some exercises using straight pathways. Okay, this last straight pathway exercise I want you guys to practice is called an army crawl. Okay? You're going to get on your belly. Keep your belly glued to the ground. Keep your legs on the ground. You want to get as low as you can. Okay? Pretend like you're crawling under a fence or crawling under a bridge. We're going to crawl, do an army crawl in a straight pathway. Think of touching your elbows to your knees with your belly low. Let's try. Okay, look at the top. We have practiced our straight pathway, our curved pathway, and our zigzag pathway. Okay, look at these three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now look at the feet. The feet are how we're going to practice directions. Okay? Now directions can be something that's like your mom and dad tell you what to do and you follow it. But when we're moving in a movement, okay, directions mean you either go left or right. Okay? And we'll learn about other ones backwards, forwards, and you guys already know sideways. But right now we're going to talk about left foot, right foot, and left hand, right hand. So look at the feet up there. All you have to do is put your foot up in the air and match it to see if that's your left or your right foot. And I'm going to show you a cool little drawing to how to find your right hand and your left hand. Okay? Okay, back to zigzag, because zigzag pathway is a good way to practice learning our left and right directions. So, follow along with me. I'm going to hold my hand up and I'm going to shake my foot to know which direction I am moving. And we're going to do this with a walk, just a nice slow walk, zigzag, okay? So follow me. So, here's my left hand. Remember, I can match it to my drawing on the board. Shaking my left foot. I'm going to walk left. Okay? Now, I shake my right hand, my right foot, and I walk to the right. Zigzag now. Back to the left. Okay? Now, back to the right direction. Okay? And one more time. Shake my left hand, my left foot, and I'm going to move. I'm going to walk left. Okay? So don't forget, zigzag is a good way to practice your left and your right directions. Okay, I told you I have one more fun activity for us to practice learning our left and right directions. Okay? And that's called leaping. Remember, leap is up on one foot, land on the opposite with a short pause. That means stop for a sec. When we stop, we're going to say loud, whether it's left or right. Left or right. Left is purple, right is orange for today. Okay? So we're going to leap up on one foot, land on the opposite with a short pause, and we're going to say the direction when we pause. Okay, I am up on my left. Left. Right. 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 Left, right, left. Awesome work today, Mustangs, okay? Now, let's remember what we learned today. Remember, those are our goals, what we learned. We learned, remember, our movement directions, our left and our right. We learned how to find our left hand, our right hand, our left foot, and our right foot, okay? Also, pathways. Remember, zigzag, very sharp, curved, bendy, and straight pathway to move our body. One direction and no turns. Awesome job. You guys can practice this, remember, at home using sidewalk chalk, or find a line on the ground. You can get a rope and make a curve or make it a zigzag. And try the best in the space that you have to practice these, okay? Awesome work today.